We are looking at what is emotional abuse. We said that emotional abuse is a subtle kind of abuse. It could also be called psychological abuse. And this abuse could be in form of a verbal abuse or a non-formal verbal abuse. This abuse involves yelling, screaming, name calling, kicking, and many worse things. The use of cruel words on your personality, on your being. So it means spewing insults or ridiculing you in the presence of others, gaslighting you, invading your privacy, punishing you for not going along with what they want, trying to control your life, isolating you from family and friends, making subtle or overt threats to you. Emotional abuse is not something that is easily noticed. It has so many side effects. What are the short-term effects of emotional abuse? Emotional abuse may make you have a feeling of confusion, of fear, of low hopelessness, of shame. Emotional abuse can also cause you to have difficulty in concentrating, moodiness, muscle tensions, nightmares, racing heartbeats, and various body aches and pains. The long-term effects of emotional abuse. Studies have shown that severe emotional abuse can be as powerful as physical abuse, and over time, it can contribute to low self-esteem and depression. You may also develop anxiety, chronic pain, guilt, insomnia, social withdrawal, or loneliness. Researchers have also theorized that emotional abuse can contribute to the development of conditions such as chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. Does it affect children too? Yes, it does affect children. It causes them to withdraw socially, to regress in their development, and to have sleep disorders. So, people that have been abused tend to develop chronic health problems. And what are some of these health problems? You have eating disorder, you have headaches, heart diseases, they have mental health issues. They are prone to obesity because they eat a lot just to wipe away the effect of the cruel words on them. It might predispose them to substance use disorders. Now, does emotional abuse lead to post-traumatic stress disorder? It doesn't always lead to it, but it can. This post-traumatic stress disorder can develop after a frightening or shocking event. And the feeling may be so severe that they interfere with your daily functioning. Some of the symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder include angry outbursts, being easily startled, negative thoughts, insomnia, nightmares, reliving the traumas, kind of flashbacks, and experiencing physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat. For children, post-traumatic stress disorder might also cause bedwetting, clinginess, and regression. So how does this affect your health? We've talked about the effect on your health. How do you begin to recover? How do you begin to heal? You can go for therapy. There are support systems that are there to help you. You can talk to a trusted family or friend. You can go for therapy so that you let go of all the abuse, of all the pain, of all the trauma, and experience the gift of healing. You can also get physically active. Exercise do much more than just keep you active. Exercise, especially moderate intensity aerobics or a mix of moderate aerobic and muscle strengthening activities for at least 90 minutes a week, can help you sleep better, keep you sharp, reduce your risk of depression, give you mental clarity. In fact, even physical activities, just as taking a walk daily, is beneficial because as we are walking with the cold air, breeze blowing on you, it helps to blow away the confusion and you have mental clarity. You can actually think. And have a better thought pattern. You can Get social, have friends, have time to relate with people. Call people from your past, your old friends, chat with them, go out and involve with people, go for movies, go for events, join a class or a club to meet new people. Because emotional abuse can also make you either you are binge eating or you are not eating enough. It can lead you to either you eat too little or too much and all the wrong things of life. So you need to mind your diet. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetable and lean protein. Eat several balanced meals throughout the day. Avoid binging or skipping your meals. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Avoid sugary, fried and highly processed food. Make rest a priority. Fatigue can rob you of energy and clear thinking. Make sure you practice good sleeping etiquette. You can even volunteer in social activities just to ease stress, anger and depression and be gainfully working or employed to do something. And then finally, you can seek professional help. You can go for therapy where a properly licensed therapist will walk you through and help you heal in the process. Emotional abuse is really bad. Emotional abuse is not good for your health. Emotional abuse is not good both for your mental health, your physical health, your self-esteem, or how you see yourself to be. So if you find yourself in such an environment or in such a relationship or in such a family, I pray that you seek help. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos